Shut up and sit down.
Out of the way. And we can move on and do some tyre decals now. Get these on now. I've put a very, very thin gloss coat around the inner edge of the tyre. So I can lay these onto a gloss coat and then I wet these down. And these are like the rub-off transfers for the tyres, the Michelin. And I line them up onto the gloss coat, and then I will just use ordinary decal water and start wetting the paper like so. And these have like a piece of paper each side that you peel off before you do this, folks, and you end up with like a thin bit of tissue paper. It's the best way of describing it. See? And then just spin the wheel round and do the next one. And you want it just to stick to the gloss coat. Get it in place to where you want it. Just check with the other side. And then go back in and start wetting the tissue paper. Don't brush too hard. Let the water do the work. And just keep brushing at it. And then eventually the paper becomes really transparent. And to dab down on it like I'm doing there. And then once that tissue paper gets nice and transparent, you can then peel it off. But do it nice and slowly. And then that way it shouldn't pull the tyre decal back off then, folks. Like that. There you go. And I know James was interested in doing these type of decals for his Formula 1 cars. So if you are watching this, James, that's how you do it, mate. And then just go back over with your water and brush it down. And it's worth checking before you peel it off to make sure that the decal is actually adhering. They can come away, so just be wary of that, folks. And then just go back over and give it a little brush. Like so. And then once that's all dried, I then go back round and I matte coat over the edge that had the gloss coat.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down,